So I'm going to need you to repeat after me. For our first expectation, you want to remember that we have safe bodies. Can I hear you say safe bodies? Great, that means you stay seated, your hands are to yourself, and you stay right in your spot. There are going to be a few different times in our town hall today where some students will be coming up. They may have their name called, they may be raising their hands and be picked up by their teachers. So let's remember, unless his name was called and you were chosen, that we stay seated so everyone can see, and so we stay seated. Got it? We have a hefty set of purple tickets that we're going to be giving out to students who we see being respectful of the speaker, keeping their bodies to themselves. So see how many purple tickets you can earn today to add to your collection. Okay? All right. And as always, we use kind words. This one's pretty important. We want to celebrate everybody's hard work. So we say kind things about one another. Can I hear you say, use kind words? All right, we are ready to begin. I'm going to pass it to Ms. Chong. Can you hear me? Put your hand on your shoulders. If you can hear me, give yourself a big hug. If you can hear my voice, turn to some of our wonderful visitors and guests on the side, our families, and say, good morning. Now you may be wondering why there are some families here today. Double check if you can hear my voice. Make a sound like a bee. If you can hear my voice, make a sound like snakes. If you can hear my voice, put my fingers in your mouth and go shh. Beautiful job. Now this month, we have been celebrating so much, and we will continue celebrating our Latinx Heritage Month. We're going to say it together. Can everybody say? With our first grade level, TK. Yeah. As the teachers come up, we give us some emotions, some courage, and awareness. Thank you. All right, and tracking Miss Ale. 3, 2, 1. So TK, we like to show things with our bodies. So we've been talking about how our families and our heritage comes from many different parts of the world. And a lot of us are from Latin America. So we're going to show you a dance where we show you how we are from Latin America, but we all pinky Oakland because Oakland is our home. And TK nos gusta mostrarnos nuestro cuerpo, lo que estamos aprendiendo y sabemos que